The letter N. Actually, it is half of letter M. Very easy to write. And the sound is N. Letter N is written like this. Go up and come down and back again. You have like this, come down, and then letter N. Small n is very easy, no taking your hand. Go up again. So you have here, go up again and come down. N. Now, would you please stretch your hand out? Now that's going to be the aeroplane. You are the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lot of noise. The sound of letter N is like nail. Nose. Nut. Net. Yes, also nest. Bird's nest. Newspaper. Newspaper. Napkin. Necklace. The sound of letter N is Remember, when you hear the aeroplane, say letter N. Sound